Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are up for yet another speed test, and this time it's me A1 versus Honor 9N. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it and also hit that notification bell. Me A1 obviously has that stock Android, whereas Honor 9N just like any other Android phone, guys. So yeah guys, let's get started. And me A1 obviously Snapdragon 625 versus Kirin 659, so just keep in mind that as well. Here we go. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And let's see. Mi A1 obviously has Android 8.1. Honor 9N still has Android 8. And yes, Mi A1 faster and Honor 9N taking some time, and it is slipping on my desk. It is so slippery. So yeah guys, let's try with the fingerprint test, guys. Here we go. Okay, that looked pretty equal. Once again, one final time. Yeah guys, that is exactly the same. Everything is closed in the background, and let's get started. We don't waste any time. Okay, so faster on 9N calendar. Again faster on Honor 9, this time again. Chrome. Okay, so this time it's me A1. Let's try with settings. Again faster on me A1. Let's try opening some social apps, guys, and then we'll be opening some shopping apps and finally games. So first of all, we opening some social apps. Let's try with Twitter. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Faster on me A1. Snapchat. Again faster on me A1. Let's try with few more. Tinder. Okay, so that was exactly the same. Instagram. Again similar. Let's try with some of the shopping apps, guys. First app will be Amazon. Here we go. Okay, opened on 9N and actually loaded on 9N as well. Let's try with eBay. Okay, pretty much at the same time they opened and loaded as well. So let's try with few more. Here we go, Banggood. And okay, similar again. Let's try with this Flipkart. Okay, faster on Honor 9. I think that was a little bit faster on Honor 9N. Let's try opening some games, guys. And I think we'll pretty much find the real winner over here, because till now it's been even Steven. Let's try with this Flappy Bird. Okay, exactly the same. Motor Traffic Racer. And okay, exactly the same once again. It's turning out to be a really good comparison, guys. Smash it. Okay, come on. Okay, faster on Honor 9. And okay guys, so let's open Subway Surfers. Can me A1 do a comeback? And okay, Honor 9 and looking faster again. Will it end on the winning side? Yes, it will. Honor 9 and faster, and me A1 taking a lot of time, and it's done as well. So let's open on one final game, guys. GTA San Andreas. And okay, looking similar. Okay, so just a little bit faster on me A1. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the gaming. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Here we go. Settings, refreshed. Twitter, okay, refreshed as well. Subway Surfers in the RAM. Motor Traffic Racer in the RAM as well. GTA San Andreas in the RAM as well. Flappy Bird. Okay, so refreshed on Honor 9N. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And it was a really good contest between MIA1 and Honor 9, and Honor 9 has that problem of RAM management, but other than that, this was a fantastic comparison, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you give it a big thumbs up, Subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, share, and guys, peace out.